In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust white balance in Adobe Lightroom. Whether you're looking to enhance a single photo or an entire series, these steps will help you achieve the perfect color tone in your images. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open Lightroom Cloud and navigate to your photo library or album. From there, select the photo you want to edit. Simply click or tap to open it in the Edit view. You'll often find this represented by a slider icon or an Edit button. This is where the magic happens, so take your time and explore the various options available to you. Now, let's locate the white balance controls. If you're using the desktop or web version, you'll find this in the right-hand panel under the Color panel. For those using a mobile device, check the bottom toolbar. Here, at the very top, you'll see White Balance Options, commonly abbreviated as WB. You will notice a drop-down menu offering presets like Auto, As Shot, Daylight, and Cloudy, among others. In addition to these presets, you have the Temp, which stands for temperature, and the tint sliders. These allow you to further refine the warm and cool tones, as well as correct any color casts respectively. Some versions may also include a white balance selector, otherwise known as the eyedropper icon. With these tools at your fingertips, it's time to choose a starting point. Use the drop-down menu to pick a preset that matches your existing lighting conditions. For instance, if your photo was taken under cloudy daylight, select the cloudy preset. Alternatively, you can use the eyedropper tool by selecting an area in your image that should ideally be neutral, such as white or light gray. Lightroom will use this as a reference point to adjust the temperature and tint accordingly. Once you've established a baseline, it's time to fine-tune your settings manually. If the image still seems too warm or cool, adjust the temp slider accordingly. Move it to the right to add warmth, or to the left to cool it down. For any unwanted color casts, use the tint slider. Slide it to the right if the image has a green cast, or to the left if a magenta tint needs correction. Adjust these until your photo looks natural, or until you're satisfied with the effect. It's always helpful to preview your adjustment by toggling a before and after view. You might find this through a bambas icon or a specific preview button. This comparison is crucial to ensuring that skin tones appear realistic, whites are neutral, and generally, the photo meets your desired aesthetic. If you find yourself with multiple photos taken in similar lighting, you can easily apply these white balance adjustments across them. This can be done efficiently in the cloud version by copying the settings from your edited photo and pasting them onto the others. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adjusting white balance in Lightroom. With practice, this process will become second nature, helping you elevate your photography to a new level. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing.